The policeman caught in a viral video laced with expletives has been suspended by the police high command. The incident reportedly happened near a bar in Clarkstown, Trelawney. Details in this report. A section of the almost 6-minute video with the policeman hurling expletives and making derogatory comments about a justice of the peace as well as Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson. It's still not clear what caused the incident, but it was enough to spark outrage from the lay magistrates fraternity and a suspension from the police commissioner.
The suspension takes effect over the weekend, and he will remain on suspension pending the outcome of an investigation which is currently being conducted by the Inspectorate of Constabulary.
Head of the Constabulary Communications Unit, Assistant Superintendent Delia Garrick, described the comments by the policeman as discourteous, adding that a major probe is underway.
The probe will determine whether criminal and administrative charges should be brought against the policeman. The force has rules and regulations and guidelines, and his display has breached those rules and policy, as well as he was captured using expletives in the public, which also constitute a breach of our laws.
If one uses profane, indecent, or obscene language publicly, they can be fined up to $1,500 or be imprisoned with or without hard labor for a period not exceeding 30 days.